In this video, we're going to discuss covalent bonding, how it's made, and the type of covalent compounds it can form. Covalent bonding is formed when nonmetals share electrons. Nonmetals are the elements that are located to the right of metalloids, and that includes hydrogen. Nitrogen is one of the nonmetals. It has 7 electrons. 2 of them are in the first shell, and 5 are in the second shell. The electrons in the outermost shell are called valence electrons. Therefore, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. Oxygen, on the other hand, has 1 additional electron compared to nitrogen, so therefore it has 6 valence electrons. Fluorine has a total of 9 electrons, and 7 of them are valence electrons. Now, these nonmetals do not have complete valence shell. Neon, on the other hand, is a noble gas, and it has a total of 8 valence electrons. And that's a complete valence shell, and we call that octet. And that's the reason why noble gases are so stable. Now, all the other nonmetals, they want to have similar complete valence shell, like the noble gases, and the way they can achieve that is by sharing the electrons. And that's how covalent bonding is formed. Let's take fluorine with 7 valence electrons. In order for fluorine to achieve octet, it's going to need to share 1 electron with each other. By doing so, each of the fluorine atoms achieve octet. The 2 electrons that shared between these 2 fluorine atoms, we call it single bond. Oxygen, on the other hand, it has 6 valence electrons. So it's going to need 2 electrons to achieve octet. Therefore, both oxygen atoms is going to share 2 electrons with each other. Those 4 electrons in the bond, that's called double bond. Nitrogen, on the other hand, has 5 valence electrons, and it needs 3 more in order to achieve octet. So it does that by sharing 3 electrons with each other, and therefore the 6 electrons that are shared, that's called a triple bond. So we have 2 electrons in a single bond, 4 electrons in double bond, and 6 electrons in triple bond. Aside from bonding with similar atoms, covalent bond can exist between different atoms. Some examples are water, ammonia, and methane. Now, these are the examples of simple molecular substances, where it's formed between several atoms. The yellow lines between the atoms represent covalent bond where the electrons are shared between the nonmetal atoms. Covalent bond can also form giant molecular substances like diamond and graphite. These two are made entirely of many carbon atoms linked together through covalent bonds. The difference between them is the way the carbon atoms are bonded. With that, we're done talking about covalent bonding. Quick recap, we talked about how nonmetals achieve full valence shell by sharing electrons through covalent bond. And there are 2 types of covalent compounds that can be formed through covalent bonding: simple molecular substances and giant molecular substances. Here are 2 more videos that might interest you. Thanks for watching all the way till the end. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with someone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss future videos. Your support means a lot to me.